Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in the game Guilty Gear Strive. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first solution is step to fix sound problem in Guilty Gear Strive game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down, click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Go to the spatial sound tab, and from the drop down first select off option and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the fixes. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device, then click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Solution 3 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Guilty Gear Strive game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. And the last solution is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio problem or sound or audio issues in Guilty Gear Strive game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.